Hello friends, welcome to the channel.
I'm seeing shimmers in these lonely dreams.
आज हम जा रहे हैं दुबई सफारी पार्क। ये सुबह 9 बजे से शाम 5 बजे तक खुली रहती है। ये करीब 119 हेक्टर्स यानी करीब 300 एकड़ लैंड में फैली हुई है। और डिटेल्स देता हूँ आगे चलते चलते। Okay, going to Dubai Safari Zoo. Are you happy? Ready to see lions and tigers? Yes.
No one's tough when
तो चलिए कुछ एनिमल्स से मिला जाए आज।
lies lying with fame.
Not yet. Where are we going?
Where are we going? Tell me how we are going. Where we going? You like to go? See, you can see the zoo there.
Lying with fame.
See the zoo is over here. That one is zoo. That one is the zoo. Say hi. Say hi. Gina, you say hi.
Safari Park.
Hi.
It's written here. Can you see?
See Dubai Safari Park. See, it's such a big, so big.
Many years.
Eat, Fura. See? Sit right now. See flowers. See?
Does it look beautiful?
Ah, jungle.
There are only lion, tiger.
You listen na woods. Red Riding Hood goes to the woods.
Hello friend, parking this way. Thank you.
See so many flowers.
टिकट प्राइसेस एडल्ट्स के 50 एंड किड्स के 20 हैं, बट अगर आप पैकेज के साथ लेंगे, जो कि मैं रिकमेंड भी करूंगा, क्योंकि पैकेज इंक्लूड सफारी ऑल्सो। सो इफ यू विल टेक पैकेज तो एडल्ट्स के आएंगे 85 दिरहम्स एंड फॉर किड्स इट विल बी 30 दिरहम्स। 3 साल से कम एज के बच्चों का फ्री है।
Wait, Papa will pass.
I'm seeing shimmers in these lonely dreams.
To check with.
I'm made up in
दुबई सफारी पार्क करीब 5 हिस्सों में बटी हुई है। एक्सप्लोरर विलेज जिसमें सफारी है, बर्ड शो 11 बजे और 1:30 बजे 2 शोज होती हैं इसमें स्मॉल थिएटर में। देन अफ्रीकन विलेज है जिसमें ग्रैंड एवियरी है, जिसमें एग्जॉटिक बर्ड्स एंड दूसरे क्रीचर्स हैं। गोरिल्ला हाउस एंड चिंपांजी स्टेशन भी इसमें है। फिर हिप्पो, टाइगर, लायन, चीता, ये सब है।
tough when
Yes.
lying.
Yay!
Where is hiding? Is that his home? Wow, so cute.
Okay, look at me. 1, 2, 3, smile.
बोला टर्टल देखेंगे बच्चे।
This is turtle. What is this? Tell me.
Turtle.
A turtle.
Why are not coming out? Look, one turtle.
How many turtles there?
1, 2, 3.
Yes, 3.
One.
from inside.
फिर है एशियन विलेज जिसमें अमेजिंग क्रीचर्स ऑफ द वर्ल्ड शो होती है। सुबह 11:30 बजे पहली शो होती है और दूसरी शो शाम को 3 बजे होती है 3 PM। 2 शोज होती हैं बिग थिएटर में। बस इसी के साइड में बर्ड्स ऑफ द प्रे शो होती है अराउंड 4:30 PM। नाउडेज ये वीकेंड्स में होती है जैसे फ्राइडे सैटरडे। टाइमिंग्स जो भी मैं बोल रहा हूँ इट कैन चेंज, सो यू मस्ट चेक आउट द लेटेस्ट टाइमिंग्स बिफोर विजिट। फिर है अरेबियन डेजर्ट सफारी, किड्स फार्म, वादी। ये 5 हिस्से हैं।
Go inside. Go enjoy the Explorer Village. wait, Inaya. Yes, come. Look, there are hippos there. You can sit on them. Go sit. Here you can sit. Come, sit here. It's a toy. Sit now. Yes. Come here. This one. Look. Hippo mouth. Put your hand inside the hippo mouth.
Not real?
No, it's just a toy. Yes. Okay, come. Come.
Go up the bridge.
Try to filter for less memories.
So big.
Yes.
Okay, good morning everyone.
Good morning.
Are you ready?
Yay.
Alright, my name is Jabba. I will be a tour guide today, so please focus with me. Our tour will be 30 to 40 minutes.
Great.
Don't remove your mask. When the bus starts moving, this is very jumpy, be seated. When you take picture and video, just use flash only, without flash I mean. So let's start with our first animal. This is the third.
Sorry, you're okay with the video?
No problem. Great. Let's start with our first animal. This is the third largest land mammal in the world after the elephant and white rhino.
Who is that?
Yeah, we have to see that.
Tell Inaya, tell her.
Start with the edge. Alright, so let's go see the hippo. Yes.
We are going inside the water.
On your left.
Hey, look, some hippopotamus. Can you see, Inaya? Can you see, Inaya? Can you see? Sidra, can you see? Look, hippos. Those are not toys. Those are not toys. Outside they saw the toys. That's why.
Yeah.
They are not toys. There's original hippopotamus.
You confused?
Yeah.
Okay, go check it and come back.
There. Can you see 3 of them sleeping?
Do you know hippo how many hours it can be inside the water? For 16 hours. Because his skin is very sensitive, it gets burned from the sun. So always he protect his skin. How many? For 16 hours. 16? Yeah. So always he protect his skin because of the sun. So they are one of the most aggressive and dangerous. If they attack crocodile and zebra, they can eat them. They eat more than 40 kilograms of grass in one night.
Ikra there, I can see.
Hey.
See, that's what going to you.
Look, one more water will come in.
Yes. Now let's go. We call this exhibit wetland because of we have the birds. They eat small fish, small snakes, crabs, and snake. So we have the birds we call African ibis, glossy ibis, spoonbills, and egrets. And also we have the new birds, as they call the biggest water bird, called the pelican. So let's go find
See,
these
you
birds.
can see so many birds now.
Okay, you can see the bird. Very good.
the biggest bird. That's the pelican. Yeah, look. Yes, the pelican. This way. That's the spoonbills. On your right, the spoonbills.
See, Ikra,
Go down.
see the
Sit down, the birds.
That's the spoonbills.
Also the
Let's
zebras.
go. That's African mix. We call that exhibit. Is open area, so they can come this side. The giraffe. That's what. Let's go see now the naughty animal.
Who is that?
That must be the monkey.
We call that hamadri.
Wow, look, so many giraffes here. You can see giraffe?
Yeah, these are real giraffes.
These are real giraffe, not toys.
You wanna try? You wanna take this?
You want a ride?
No.
Please, have a ride.
No.
You will like it.
No.
All right, now let's go see the Hamadryas baboon. Monkey.
Now you are going.
They are one of the most aggressive and danger.
Okay.
We have one alpha, one king of baboon. Let's go find the alpha.
Oh my gosh. See so many.
Like babies, they out monkey.
Uh-oh.
They are here. All of them are here. They are so naughty.
Yeah, mom will exchange now, so you will take the baboon and you go there.
Yes.
Uncle want to keep you with
Let's
baboon.
set them. One
What?
enclosure is free from
No?
them.
No?
Okay, I will bring one small baboon.
Okay.
You want?
Ah.
Now you want, huh?
Mama already have 3.
Alright, you're gonna see now big bump red at their back. They are female, they are pregnant.
Oh.
Yes. On your right example, you see on the tree? Yeah. That's the big bump.
See.
You can see monkeys? Sidra, you can see monkeys? There are a lot of them are here. Yes. Oh, all went to Sidra and Inaya's side.
I also can see.
Yes.
The climbing. And one monkey is climbing in that rope.
Yes. Look.
So many of them are there.
Look, so many are there. And here, this way, this way also you can see a lot of water. What is this, Sidra? Ikra?
On your left, that's the king of baboon. The grey one. See the grey one?
Yeah, down
Yeah,
there.
the grey one, big hairy. Down. Yeah.
Thoda, exactly.
Okay, yeah. This one. The grey one, big hairy.
Yeah.
Do you see him?
Can you see Naya?
Look, Sidra, look here. The big one.
Can you see?
Look, the big monkey here.
Can you see that big one?
Look down also, down also.
From the baboons, they have a rule. If anybody wants to be king, he should kill him, then he can be king.
Oh, okay. So many see they
Look, babies are here eating.
Babies,
Look,
they
babies
also,
are
you
eating.
saw this in there? They also have a king.
Yes.
Yeah.
All right. Prepare your passport. We are going to Africa.
Yay!
Yes. No visa, no ticket. Don't worry.
We are going to Africa.
All right. We call this exhibit African mix. As you saw, giraffe. We have zebra, ostrich, and different antelopes. So let's go find them. All right. On your right, I call this one African mafia because they are always with a group. That's why we call them scimitar oryx. On your right, white and brown scimitar oryx. On your left, this one impala, light brown impala. On your right, you see the grey one with the 3 white stripes. We call greater kudu. With the horn is male, without horn is the female.
Okay.
Greater kudu.
Where's zebra?
Let's go to biggest antelope.
Look, zebra.
In the middle,
You can see zebra?
baby.
Sidra? Sidra, you can see?
Oh.
Sidra, you can see?
Zebra.
Giraffe or zebra in लोगों का main. इधर. Look, big horns.
That's greater kudu.
Stripes and
One is on our road.
He's guiding us now.
Ah,
Is guiding us.
Impala guiding us. Yes, this is deer, Impala deer. This is kind of deer. His name is Impala. Yes,
Who's going by first?
they are scared of us.
Alright. Now let's go see. The animal is not from Africa. It's from US and Canada. We call them bighorn sheep. They climb, like they go up on the mountain. So on your left, you're gonna see bighorn sheep. You see the baby.
Look, sheep. This is sheep.
On the left, the baby is the male, and this is the female, like a boy and girl.
Can you see one more?
Ostrich. Yes.
On your left, this we call springbok. They're very fast. They run like a jump. It's called spring. On your right, ostrich.
Ostrich. Oh, three of
Grey one is the
them.
female, and black one is the male. Grey one is the female, black one is the male.
This is such a big one.
Now let's go see the beautiful bird. We have two type of bird: black crowned crane and the grey crowned crane. Grey from Uganda, black from Nigeria. On your right, you're gonna see. Only from the neck side, you're gonna see the grey and the black from the neck.
Oh, yeah.
This side, see.
Now let's go see the laziest animal in the world.
Ikra.
Ikra, now you see why I came to see.
So many.
All Ikra. Okay. Now you're gonna see the laziest one. He sleeps.
Look, giraffe. They are real, Baba. We are in zoo. In zoo, everything is real, Baba.
Tiger will not go to
Yes.
giraffe, right?
No, it's the water electric fence.
Okay, like a fence. Okay.
Oh, they are blocking the road.
Oh
They're
my
blocking the road.
God.
Now who will go there move the pickup?
See?
Look.
You see the half tail? That's the king.
Oh,
Yeah.
Ikra. रोड पे देखिए
That's a king.
see oh my god
Look.
Sidra can you see from the road? Oh my god oh my god the two of them are sitting on the road how we go
Look, they are blocking our road. Ikra.
See two lions.
Look here. Look.
oh my god nice
Wow.
sitting near you oh my god
Okay, now they are looking at us. हम तो उनके एरिया में है अभी तो। Wow, look. Again sat on the road. You saw lion, Inaya? So see, look at me. You saw lion? Tiger, you want to see?
how many of them were there till Papa
Someone was there.
So many were there.
Gonna see now white rhino.
White
The
rhino.
reason I call them troublemakers, they used to come scratch the buses, bumper, they stand in front of the bus for 1 hour, half an hour, they will not move.
Oh my God.
So that was before. Now we
so they
give,
also want to see us
yes. And also you're gonna see now the most dangerous animal in the world. If you do anything to him after 10 to 20 years, he's gonna remember you. We take his revenge back.
Oh my
oh
Cape buffalo, the African one, the big horn. They have many.
okay
As
good
also they
memory
call them black judge because in Africa every year more than 200 Africans they are killing. They attack. They are very aggressive.
See, these are real dangerous.
Yes.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, we have a small little black buffalo, small baby one. We have two.
Two of them.
You're lucky today you saw them. On your right we have two. Three baby. cove and they are very confused looking to us. First time they are coming outside.
They know that Ikra is coming today.
Yeah. Your left. See the white rhino.
White rhino. I can see
this
down
one,
the
look,
tree.
look, look.
Down the tree.
One, two,
Look, can you see?
A lot of them are there.
Oh,
They have maximum 5.
Oh, five. Here, rest
Look.
tree.
White
Their
rhino.
weight is more than 2000 kg.
Oh.
Yeah, their horn is made by keratin. If cut, it's grow like our nail.
Okay.
So scientists making medicine with their horn.
For that they kill a lot.
Yeah.
See, white rhino. So big. Can you see? Don't they attack? This cattle?
Yes. Look, have the baby one here in the next.
They are from which?
Uganda. Yes, on your right, the grey one. This is the ugliest one.
See,
And black and white is white
In the
stork,
Ikra.
and the grey one is the marble stork.
see? Birds.
Oh yeah,
This is the grey one. This is the research corner.
yeah. Okay.
Now let's go see first strongest birds in the world.
Crocodile.
Teen Nile crocodile.
Oh,
They can be without food for 2 years
2 years.
Yes.
Oh
because
my
they are
God.
tailless, full of the fat.
Oh my.
That's why they can store the fat. And if their mouth is open, there is 2 reasons. First, the bird will come clean their teeth. Second, reduce their body temperature. For example, on your left, his mouth is open. He's breathing.
Crocodile. Look, crocodile. There are 2 crocodiles
Mouth
there.
is open.
Look, the mouth is open. Crocodile. They are enjoying the sun
They
now.
want sun.
On your right, you can
Look
see
here, right also there are. There also one sleeping. You can see Sidra. One is there. Look. One side also. There are a lot of them. So many are there. You'll have to get down just to watch them. They are not toys.
Okay. Now let's go see Salman Khan friend.
Salman Khan.
Who is that?
The black buck. Yes. I know.
Black buck. Salman Khan would like to skip this part.
Yeah. I could wish he was not here and he could fight with me. Alright. We call this area our Asian mix. We have spotted deer, sambar deer, and nilgai female. It's all female.
Spotted deer also.
Look, lot of deer. Lot of deer you can see.
And also on your left, that's one of the, we call this one black buck female.
Oh.
These are black bucks?
So
Yeah.
many. No, here, this one.
On the left.
These small ones, no?
Yeah, this one black buck. And the dark one, that's the sambar deer female.
Some.
And it's spotted deer on your left.
Look, one more, 2 more deer are
Spotted
here.
deer.
Spotted
Also,
deers. Look,
See?
look, they are running with us.
That's the baby one. On your left, sambar deer male. This is the sambar deer.
Why they keep separated?
I can't talk about your husband only.
They don't want.
On your left, that's the black buck. When they get old, they get darker. That's why the name is black buck. Can't be old. That's the black buck. Like example, this is the walking now. This is the young one. On your left, the white and brown Scimitar oryx.
See how.
On your left,
see the
full
flag?
white with the straight one. That's Arabian oryx from UAE.
Ah, yeah, these ones. So we don't have to go there. Arabian.
On your
can see
left,
here.
see the fighter from Zimbabwe, sable antelope, the
Wow.
big horn.
Look here, Arabian onyx. You can see, no?
On your right, the curvy one, the light brown, that's adults from Morocco. And the grey one, that's the big one, that's greater kudu. On your right, this is Neel guy from India.
Neel guy from India. Yes. अपना
Earlier.
Neel guy.
One is sleeping there.
Look, one is sleeping there. You can see Bengal tiger. These are tigers. You saw lion, now tigers.
One tiger is sleeping. One tiger sitting there.
Look, one down there sitting. Look.
Oh my god.
Oh, look near you. Say hi. Hi, चाचा कैसे हो? कब आए गांव से? Bengal tiger from India. You see, Inaya? Tiger just near you. Look, what's going on? One more there sitting, look.
He attacked, right? Yeah. He will come after us.
Yeah, check.
Okay, we have all 6 tiger here, so you can take the picture all here.
ये look, बहुत मोटा ताजा है एकदम.
इकरा के साइड में ठीक चला है.
इकरा के साइड में चल रहा है बिल्कुल.
अटैक करने मोड में लगा.
इकरा को अटैक करेगा.
इकरा के ऊपर. केयरफुल. 2 सांप आ रहे हैं, एक इधर से एक उधर से. देखिए.
Yeah, they are coming towards us.
देखिए.
अरे बाप.
तीनों
सामने से भी एक.
तीनों आ गए.
हाँ, तीनों आ गए.
उधर आएगा ना अच्छा.
बड़ा करेगा. Oh, this one is. Ikra, see this one. I'm just saying to go back.
Look, one more
We
come.
came inside the cave. I'm gonna show you something very nice.
Oh.
I hope they will come inside. Okay, this is the first one.
Tiger to come inside the cage.
Yeah, uncle want to. Yeah.
Okay, now we will go up. We'll be very close to you. So you can take the picture on your right.
Right. Look. Right. Wow, it came inside the
This
cave.
is the waterfall.
Look, Sidra, look here. इकरा आप ही को देख रहा है, बिल्कुल इकरा को देख रहा है. Tasty breakfast. Ikra, you are looking like a tasty breakfast for him. Ikra, it's coming. Ikra, it's coming to you. This one is that. आ रहा है पीछे. Hyena is sleeping there. Look, one hyena is sleeping there.
And you have seen this hyena in the movie also.
Oh, कोई खूबसूरत डांस कर रहा है. Oh, beautiful. Look, beautiful dancing,
Both of them
playing, dancing. Their legs are like.
Alright, we are in Asian mix. Back one more time. On your right, that's hog deer. On your right, hog deer.
Oh, look down, right side. Small ones are there.
See, so many.
So many deers are here. Look,
See that?
you can see. So many deers are here.
Yeah.
Look. deers are here. Sitting, yes. Enjoying. They don't have to go to school. So many deers are there.
That's spotted deer on your left.
Wow, beautiful. You can see? Sidra, look, look. No deers are there.
See that in the front? There.
Yeah, I can see.
Cheetah. Cheetah भी दिखता है. Yes, they are there.
Yeah,
One is there. One is there.
Under the tree now.
Under the tree now. He's showtime.
Can you see cheetah?
Get up, cheetah. It is
We
showtime.
saw another cheetah. They are looking both each other. On your left, you're gonna see now two black lines and then their eyes. That's their sunglasses. When they hunt, they don't get disturbed by sun.
Oh.
So see,
Look, 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 look.
playing.
Playing. Cheetah, look. Cheetah.
थोड़ा उठ के देखिए बेटा.
खोल के देख लीजिए, कोई बात नहीं. हाँ, खोल के देख लीजिए. देखिए. देखिए. You saw Sidra? You just want to go down and say hi to him? Sidra?
No.